How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps? Well, to enable voice navigation in Google Maps, first ensure that your phone's volume is turned on, then proceed to open up the Google Maps. So once you open up Google Maps, you should get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then head into settings. So you can see settings here, tap on it. Under settings, you can see navigation. You want to tap on it and you can see mute or unmute. Make sure the guidance audio is unmuted. Then you can set the guidance volume to softer, normal or louder, and play voice over Bluetooth or play as Bluetooth phone call or such. So other different options. So however, the main feature is make sure not to unmute this, not to mute this. You want to set it to unmute. Then you want to head back and now you can proceed to set a location that you would like to head into, and then simply proceed to select directions and then start it. So as you can see, the voice navigation will be enabled automatically after that. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.